What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at a cool new fidget slider by Black Cloud Creations. This is a company over in the United Kingdom, and this is a fairly responsibly priced at about $80, I do believe is what I paid for this. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, so this is the packaging. So it's pretty basic packaging, nothing super special. And we got a sticker, Super FRAG, 15/11/22. So that's the date of birth, I guess. Very cool. Alright, so let's get all this out of here. So we have brass with a patina, a forced patina that he has done on this. Very cool. Ooh, yeah, definitely has some stiff magnets. Not too bad as you move up it. And very cool. You can really, I'm not super good at everything yet with these, but yeah, super stiff once all those magnets are in line. They are really, really super stiff, but feels good. It's got some nice strong magnets, and you can, like I said, you can kind of flip it around, which is really cool. It's got strong enough magnets to do that. Very cool. It's got some good weight to it. Oh yeah, I could definitely see this being a lot more fidgety than some of the others. Yeah, that's cool. And the FRAG does help with getting a grip on moving it too, a little bit, not a whole lot, because it's pretty well smoothed out. But very, very cool. Got some strong magnets. Has his Black Cloud Creations right on it. So very, very cool. Like I said, yeah, it's got some really good strong magnets. Even just one magnet right there, you can feel it wiggle a little bit, but it's not quite letting go. So that's really cool. Yeah, very nice. You can really feel those magnets. Got a nice click because it's got some heft to it, and that's what's good about having a good steel. Get some of that heft in there, and it makes it really sound good. He has many different variations. He's got a more squared versions, rounded versions, totally circular. So pretty cool. I'll leave a link to his Etsy, because he has an Etsy account. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. But that's pretty cool. I think that'll be very fidgety, and I think I will very much kind of enjoy messing with this a lot more. So there you guys go. That is Black Cloud Creations FRAG pattern semi-round. Alright guys, have a great day. We will catch you next time.